Guys, once again, welcome back to your big channel. In this video, we will talk about copy paste. You must be wondering why copy paste. It's very simple. Everybody knows Control C, Control B, but there are several ways to do copy and paste. So we'll start with, of course, Control C, Control B. You can select the data whichever you wish to copy. Control C, and you wish to paste it anywhere. Just click the cursor there, and Control B. That is a normal way of doing copy and paste, and everybody knows that. So let's go Control Z to go back. There is another way you can paste the same data if you wish to paste in 2 3 places. Even in one time you can do that. You don't have to select the multiple times, multiple places. So how do we do that? Let's move a little bit this side. Okay, so here I have already copied some data, so I'm going to paste it in 2 or 3 different places. Okay, so I will just paste. So you see the data has been pasted in 3 different places using same function Control C, Control V. So for that, what you have to do, after selecting, once you do copy the data, Control C, and when you have to paste it into the 3 different places, you need to select those places by using Control button. Just keep the Control hold down and Control V. Simply you can paste like that. So there is another way. There is one way you can do with your mouse. You don't have to copy in that case. Okay, I will click anywhere like this. So now no data is selected. You can select this data, and from here hold down the control and drag your data. For copying, you have to wait for this plus signal, and then you can copy the data from here with the use of your mouse. That is to drag. Yes. So this is not what I'm talking about. Talking about the function. Yes, this function. You don't have to hold the control key. You can just drag it. That way, the data will be moved, cut and paste, not copy and paste. In that case, it will be cut and paste like that. Once more, you just select the data when you see the 4 arrows, 4 side, and select the data like this. But if you want to copy and paste with your mouse, you can control, just hold it, press control, hold it, and then drag it. So you will have the same data here, same data you have here. Okay, so that way also you can do copy paste. You don't really have to use Control C and Control V for paste. You can use that if you're going to paste it on the same sheet. Okay, this is how also you can do. And for cut paste, Control X and Control V, you know that. Or if you wish to do remove the data from here, so look for this 4 arrow signs, and no need to hold the control key, just drag it, so the data will be moved from one place to another like that. Now Control Z, go back to normal. You can put filter by using Control Shift L. That is a shortcut key for filter, and you can filter the data by using that also, whatever the data you need to copy. Example, if I take some certain names and those are the data only I need to select, you can use space bar. Very simple shortcut. So that's it. So this is the only data which I need, and I want to copy and paste it. So I can simply copy. By right click also you can copy. There is another way. By right click also you can paste. In the paste there are several options. You can paste only the value. You can paste same as it is. You can paste as formula. You can paste as transpose. If you want to paste it as transpose, you can do that too. There are several other options. You can only paste if you want the formatting. So you don't want the data, you only want the format. So you can do that as well. You want to paste a link. So whatever the data you will update there, that will update as well. You can paste the link also. In paste special also, there are several functions you have here. You can paste normal with formulas. This we have already gone through. Transpose to, or to keep the same column width. Example, if you don't want data to lose that width, the column width, so you can use the same, keep source column width the same. And this is no border. If you wish to put without border, if you want this data but no border, you can use going in paste special, no border. Here you can paste as value, values and number formatting, values and source formatting, formatting only with link, with picture. If you want it as a picture, you can take it as a picture as well, and you want a picture with link, you can use this function as well. So there are several ways of pasting a data and copying the data. Simply you can do copy paste as well, but you just need a formatting only this. You need only the table but the names, because you're going to type something else, so you can use only formatting, going special, paste is special, and keep it format. Only the format you got no data here, so whatever you wish to type here you can type. So hope this is clear. Copy paste, there are many ways. Keep trying. You also can try, maybe find different ways which I haven't explained here. So if you have any idea what are the other ways to do copy paste, please mention in the comments, and let's see how that goes. Maybe I'm gonna have another video on this. So that's it about this video, guys. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.